Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. I'm throwing a fit because I don't want to sit in my high chair. Adelie! Tell Daddy hi. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Hi, Daddy. Give Daddy a smile or something. Adelie. What are you doing? Hmm? What is she doing, dude?
She's jumping.
Oh, you won't throw a fit because you know Daddy's watching you, huh? Of course. She's got to look like an angel for Daddy, huh? You hear her? As soon as I say hi to Daddy, she's all quiet. Adelie, say hi to Daddy. All right, say bye, Daddy.